Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the account exists on this device error in the World app quickly and easily. All right, let's jump right in. So if you're encountering the error account exists on this device when you open up your World app, here are some of the few things that you can do. So you have to get out of the app, go to your settings, then you want to scroll down and look for apps. From here, just go ahead and search for World app. Let's just wait for this to load. Type it in here. There we go. Then what you want to do is first you can go ahead and click for stop. This one, this option at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can click that and try to reopen the app. If the error still persists, go back to this to the settings, then head over to storage. What you want to do is you want to clear both data and cache. So just click both of these, clear data and cache, then go ahead and reopen the app. And then the final method, what you can do is if it's still not working for you, just simply go ahead and try to uninstall the app and reinstall it. And that should be able to fix the problem. And basically that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.